So we're at the Wells Fargo Center, and we're at the Wells Fargo Center in Denver, Colorado. So we're gonna go up to 30. So thanks to Gag Williams for the information on not going up to mid and high rise. So let me just get this. Let me just get this.
30th floor.
Right.
Going down.
Right. All right. Ready to go down. So I'm aware that they said that mid-rise, like the 31st through the 50th are inaccessible. So we're gonna go up here, and this is being filmed with a GoPro. Right. Today we couldn't go any higher, but this should be good enough. Alright, that's it for the Wells Fargo Center, or Wells Fargo Tower as you could call it, in Denver, Colorado.